The first 3 budgets my partner and I made together failed. The fourth one stuck, and it came down to one key difference. Why family budgets fail. One person makes it and imposes it on others. No shared goals, just shared restrictions. Shame and blame when someone goes over. Start with a family money meeting. Monthly, 20 minutes max. No phones, no distractions. Talk about goals first, numbers second. Give everyone a personal spending line. Each person gets a no questions asked personal budget. Eliminates resentment and secret spending. Even kids benefit from having their own category. The shared goals section. Vacation fund, home repair, holiday gifts. Shared goals make the budget feel exciting, not restrictive. Post it somewhere visible in your home. The monthly check-in ritual. Review actuals versus budget together, 10 minutes. Celebrate wins, troubleshoot overages without blame. Adjust next month based on what you learned. Download our free family budget planner printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.